We're in Dext Prepare every single day. All of our team are, whether we're doing the bookkeeping or whether we're doing other things. So Dext Precision is the next part of the equation. So we get the information in from Dext Prepare and then it goes into Xero. And then what we use Dext Precision for is checking that information. It is something now that we're beginning, to understand how software works and how it can do the heavy lifting for us. One of the things that they really like are the health scores, and so again, because we have the majority of our clients on Dext Precision, and we then have a report set up so that shows the account manager for those clients and also the bookkeeper on those clients, and then they tend to have a bit of a competition as to who's got the best health score, so that's quite good. It just sort of adds a bit of playfulness. So the health score is just a very clear visual representation of the state of the client's books and records. Well, what's been fabulous is now there is a dashboard that brings both apps together, and so that means we can just log into Dext and we have an overall dashboard that will have metrics from both so that we can quickly see how things are and where things are, but we can also very quickly click on a client that we see there's a problem and it will take us straight to the correct app. And also from that dashboard we can very quickly flick between the two apps. So that's been wonderful. That's been a huge innovation and is really, really helpful to us. Right, so I'm just going to run you through the Dext software. So we start off by logging in. So I'll just click on login here. And what this does is it takes us directly to the Dext homepage, which has both apps on it for Dext Prepare and Dext Precision. And you can see that we have a very nice overview here. So we have our clients listed here on the left, and then the various flows that we have in progress. So that's the bookkeeping and the VAT flows. And then we have a client distribution section here, which shows both Prepare and Precision and what we're using there. And then it also shows the health scores and the overall picture. And then we have a knowledge hub as well, which is a useful link here. And then we can get directly to invoice fetch as well from here and some other inbox overviews. So it's very clear, it gives you a lot of detail, and you can then click into each of the clients from here as well. So to get into Dext Prepare, I will just click here and it will take me directly to our overall dashboard here. So all you do to get back to the dashboard is just go to this little menu of 9 dots and just beside the name Dext, just click on that and you can switch to either straight to Precision or back to the home page, but we'll just go straight into Dext Precision. And that will then take us straight to our client list. So this is at practice level here. And so we've got our list of clients and you can see what their health scores are and whether there's an issue with them. And who are good ones and who are bad ones. And then we can also have a look at reports from here. So this is where we have our practice overview by bookkeeper, and also we have it by manager as well. So if I just have a look at that, so if I just click on his, and then you can also see actually who's working for him on there and then what the health scores are. This is good because you can see whether he's having any issues, but also you can go click straight into the client there and see now that one's got a very low general health score of 40. It's just great to be able to have that highlighted and be able to have a conversation, so it picks up instantly that there are some issues there. So if we go into that one, and we can see here that in fact in this particular case there are no duplicate contacts, but we have got 6 unreconciled transactions and we've got some multi-coded contacts here. So if I click into that, I've got a little explanation as this is the first time I'm using it in this particular thing. And then it's saying that for Bayside Club we've got some account code differences and tax code differences. So I can click on the down arrow there. So if I go into that, it's taken me straight to the invoice in Xero instantaneously. And there I can see exactly what's happened, that whoever's posted this has posted this to the wrong account here because they posted it to an expense account. not an income account. You know, it's seamless. We use Dext Prepare to get the information into Xero. We use Xero to actually process the information and produce accounts and reports. And we will use Dext Precision to actually check and quality control that data and save us a lot of time in actually looking at it in detail, which is just wonderful.